Hello members of Digital Adverts, hope everybody is doing well. Today I've come out to teach you guys how to use our website. Yes, I've come to teach you people how we can use our website, because I've found out that most people don't know how to use the website efficiently. So I'm going to be showing you how you can access every information you need using our website. So once you log in our website, this is the page that comes on top. So as you see where I circled the red one, I want to show you how you can start using the website. In my previous videos, I taught a lot about registrations, so that one is done. I talked about the login, it's done. I talked about what we do, and it's done. So I want to put the main focus on these two things. I want to put my main focus on our products and opportunity. And basically for today, for this video, basically we are going to be talking about the opportunity. So when you come to opportunity, you will be able to know our regional agents in each country: Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Burundi. Each country that gets the agent, we always put them under the website. So let me put our main focus on the regional agents. You tap on the regional agents where you see this arrow, which is pointing downwards. Where you see this arrow pointing downwards, this arrow, you tap on the regional agents. If you're in Uganda, you'll be able to choose Uganda. If you're in Kenya, you'll be able to choose Kenya. If you're in Burundi, you'll be able to choose Burundi and see the regional agents in Burundi. Let me put our main focus on Uganda. Digital Adverts, Uganda. Yes, so let me see which agent has this region. So each region has a different agent, and I want to be able to show you what to expect from these agents, where they are located. So don't get stuck, don't get hungry or angry when you see that you are stuck on the website. You don't know what to do, but you have wanted to take over the business, or you do want to know about the business. So each, you can see from here, the regional agents list, you can see it, and it is showing that each region has an agent. Each district has an agent, as you see on the website. So no matter where you are, you can still find the agent of that region. If you're in Kampala, you will still find the agent of Kampala. If you're in Entebbe, you will see the agent of Entebbe. If you're in Palisa, you'll be able to find out who is the agent of Palisa. If you're in Mukono, you'll be able to know who is the agent of Mukono. So for this video, I want to show you that the whole country of Uganda is taken. No matter which region, which district, which area you are, you can still get the digital adverts services. So let me scroll down for the purpose of the video. For the purpose of this video, let me scroll down, and I show you the necessary information that I wanted to bring for you. So don't get stuck. If you really need services from digital adverts, you have a person to talk to. So these people, they have their contacts. You can be able to contact your agent from wherever you are. You can be able to send him an email to know what happens in digital adverts. In case you have any services you would like to know about digital adverts, you'll be able to know which person to call, to find him, because we believe that each agent has an office in a different area. You don't need to come to Kampala to find out who is your agent in a particular area. All you need to do is to go on the website, look out for your agent, call him, and know what is going on. Come and know where offices of digital adverts are located in different regions. It has no, let me show you. So this is an agent of Amulia. So if you're in Amulia, you don't need to come to Kampala to know who is the agent of Amulia. All you need to do is to come on the website, know the agent of Amulia, then contact him. That's going to be very, very important for you so you will be able to know the agent, contact him, talk to him, even for training purposes. This has come to my mind for training purposes. As we started trainings in Kampala at the Equatorial Mall Hall, so each person or each agent is going to hold an office in that district, as well as a training hall where different people will be trained. There's going to be weekly presentations so that every member of Digital Adverts gets a chance to know more about digital adverts. You get a chance of being trained to know about digital adverts. So for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show that each country, each region has an agent. Let me scroll down to the bottom of the website. So don't feel stuck. You have agents everywhere. Wherever you are, you have an agent. Contact him, look out for his contacts. If possible, look out for his offices, then go there and contact them. Go there and have a discussion about the business of digital adverts. As you can see from the website, it is showing that there is no more opportunity of becoming an agent in Uganda. There is no more opportunities of becoming an agent in Uganda. You can see available districts all taken, and that's done. We are not looking for more agents in Uganda. So from Abim to what? Let me see, to the last district. From Abim to the last district, Zombo, the whole country is covered. All you need to do is look out for your agent, contact him, know where his offices are, know when he carries out presentations, and please go there and attend. Thank you for watching this video. If it has been very helpful to you, please can go ahead and subscribe to our channel Digital Adverts, and make sure you also share it to your friends who really have a lot of questions about our business. Go there, know who is your agent, where is he located, what do we do, what is required, how you can join, and how you can even spread the good news about the business. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So next time when I come on the platform, I'll be talking about the regional agents of Kenya. Yes, I want now to start pushing digital adverts beyond borders. We are going to be discussing about Kenya, and we still have a lot to talk about digital adverts, Kenya and other countries. Thank you so much, and that's been the video for today.